Yeah, reggae girls, go and win the World Cup for winner.
Simple that.
Simple that.
Alright.
You don't know you're gonna tell us you're big up young girl and I tell us a hot foot, straight, Don't give up, You understand? One press.
Alright, you think
Bunny.
Alright, so she said Bunny her favorite. Welcome sports fans, welcome back to another very special episode. I'm your host Joe Mar.
I am Rush.
And this is the Sir That Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best, most interesting and riveting sports topic discussions and debates on the internet.
Yes, but before we get into today's video, don't forget to like this one. Leave a comment under the video and subscribe to the Sir That Sports TV. Whoa there, bro.
Bro, we're in Montego Bay, or as many of the Jamaicans would say, Galtigo Bay. You get me? They really do man thing.
Anyways,
we're there in the Sam Sharp Square, As you can hear the mid-evening hustle and bustle. We have the beautiful waterfall behind us. But bro, it's a match day.
Yeah.
The Reggae girls have migrated from the National Stadium for only a short time and have moved to Montego Bay. We're not necessarily at the Catching Sporting Complex yet, but we will be later in the evening. But right now, bro, we're in the streets. We're attempting to speak to some Reggae girl fans to hear their thoughts on the game later. To hear what they would have to say to the Reggae girls. And we're there, do it.
As I said, it's match day, bro. We're in the streets. I want to know, how are the people feeling? I want to see the vibe in Montego Bay. I want to see what's happening. I also want to get a message for the girls. Because we're going to send this to the girls. We're going to send it in their DMs. Send it to some of their personal numbers. Send a message to the girls, people. And if you're not here in Montego Bay, leave a message under this video for the Reggae girls. Is it?
So I'm going to ask you a question. You have some of the girls' them personal number?
What you say?
Anyways, people, we have more work to do. Let's get the day started, bro.
Let's go, bro.
Right now, speak to us about how you feel that football is back in Catching All.
Right now, man. I'm glad I know where I come from, I phone me come from, And right now, I Reggae girls and me come to see because the first I see them, live, I go TV, I see them on, I see them on my phone. You understand? So I call upon them live, so I just come directly go see them live right now. You understand? And right now, I'm in a mobile and I go and chill out, I go and walk on the beach, or the beach set up. And I think then we go back KFC look while, but over KFC full up look while. I said chop, I just come out look while and say chop. I just look walking, I walk and book up on them money, and them money go and interview me. And I South me come from,
South me come from?
Yeah, clear South me come from.
People were there up on the ground, in a
Bridget.
In a Montego Bay with Bridget. And Bridget, are you a fan of the Reggae girls?
Yeah.
Alright, so who are your favorite Reggae girls?
Bunny.
Alright, so she said Bunny her favorite.
Alright, so the Reggae girls qualified to back-to-back World Cups now. Send a message to the girls, because they're going to see this.
You don't know you're gonna tell us you're big up young girl and I tell us a hot foot, straight, Don't give up, You understand? One press.
Alright, you think we can win the World Cup this year?
I'm thinking, of course.
Well, I'm sure all the best, I'm in a game now, I have to play and enter everything good.
Alright, so we are playing Paraguay later.
Yeah.
How you feel like we're going to do another match there?
Well, we'll give them about 3-1 still.
3-1 your prediction?
Yeah.
Who you think are going to score?
Bunny Shaw going to score, yes. Yeah. But I'm not sure about the rest of them. But I know that Shaw going to score.
Oh my God, I'm super excited. Yeah, I'm very ecstatic. You don't know where the police to protect and serve, And to reassure that the Reggae girls them go with the 3 points. Although are friendly, so I don't know. So you are going on now. We're not lay with the thing. Up and running. Normal alive, right through like Night Joe. Jamaica Reggae girls all the way.
They're going to perform very good.
And what? Tell me a message you would like to send to the girl them.
I want you to keep safe and do your job very professional.
Tell the people them where them can.
Yeah, me the right, so right, Little Caesar sell dress, blouse, skirt and ties. Come check me out, cause the whole of them nice. Big up on yourself.
Our girls though, what would you say to our Reggae girls right now to give them that little bit of motivation for the World Cup coming up and the World Cup and the Olympic qualifiers?
Score a goal early in the game, you know. A goal win matches, you know, so I have to score goal early in the game.
Alright, so the Reggae girls today, you know, they're playing against Paraguay. How good does it feel to be watching some football in Mobile?
Great, man. Because I'm a regular man, I visit Mumbai for watch games. You know, used to all work at the games and too. When Premier League used to play up
catching up.
No man, up not catching up, Jared Park. Real man, beat up everything, man.
and how you feel about them going to back-to-back World Cups?
Great. That's a great feeling. I won't mind the boys them to do that.
Yeah man, we want the boys them for.
Yeah,
you think so we can make it out of the zone
next time around?
This World Cup, the girls them?
Yeah man. Them are go.
And one message where you would give to the girl them?
Yeah, they just have to take a positive energy what they might get and just it go help them for just push forward. As I mean, all of them just have to have things what them aim to get out of the sport. As I mean, all of them can drive Benz and Hardy out there.
Honestly, I'm just proud of them. The man them now go World Cup, them go. I'm proud of them. Keep doing what they're doing, you know.
And my partner don't want me to ask this question, but I'm going to ask regardless. You know, which team do you prefer, the Reggae girls or the Reggae boys? I have to ask.
Honestly, I can't tell. When last match a Reggae boy match, you know? And look where am I? I am right here.
The Reggae girls are into the World Cup. How do you expect the Reggae girls to perform in the World Cup in 2023?
Well, just their best. Just their best. So, like, when they do their best, I mean, we Jamaica will feel proud about that. Just their best.
Give us one message that you would send to the Reggae girls.
I would say to them, just win, and continue winning.
And how do you feel about the Reggae girls qualifying for yet another World Cup, 2 in a row?
Oh my God, this thing has been long time coming. And to be here, to be a part of this whole preparation for that, is just an awesome feeling.
Which team do you prefer, the Reggae girls or the Reggae boys?
The Reggae girls, of course.
Well, I expect only greatness from the Reggae girls.
So tell them something.
Yes, Reggae girls, we enjoy watching play the game and would like to see you do a very much beautiful game tonight.
Alright, thank you for talking.
Right now, one day win, you know. One day win. One day drop a 2 love.
2 love,
one day drop.
Alright. Yeah, watch the girls. You have a favorite player?
Well, my favorite player, you know, is always number 8, you know. She look good, you know.
Yeah. Oh, Kayla McCoy. Kayla, I don't say a word.
Kayla McCoy, do yourself.
My favorite Reggae girl not playing right now.
Who that, Plumber?
Yeah. Plumber is somebody that grew up amongst you, you know.
Oh yeah, where she come from?
No, in the same way.
Nice one.
What's your favorite Reggae girl?
Right now, it's Shaw. Shaw I'm going to look right now.
Bunny Shaw?
Yeah, Bunny Shaw I'm going to look right now.
How much you think she's going to score later?
Right now, if I have one, she can score, but the next one, I must get put in the next one.
So it's about Bunny have to score for you?
Well, Bunny have to score for me, because I him can look fun.
See her then at number 11.
Khadija Shaw.
You see it?
What you can expect from her today?
Well, I always want her to give it like a hat-trick, you see it?
Alright, look out for hat-trick, people, look out for hat-trick.
Kanya Plummer, actually a past student of Teachfield High, I coached her back in the day. So it's good to have her, seeing her back in the game again.
So the actual captain of the team,
captain of the team.
Do you want to see her return her armband?
Oh my God, I can't wait to see it.
Well,
give me a number.
Number 11.
Khadija Shaw.
Yeah.
How much goal do you expect from Khadija Shaw today?
Oh, 3 goals.
Alright, Market Street. So Alex Abadashi, we can get everything. Anything in Abadashi, also item, everything. So I just that now to say.
Alright, bless up yourself, Maji.
Respect.
What's your favorite Reggae girl?
The favorite, what's your name? Khadija?
Bunny Shaw.
Yeah, that lovely one there, Money Shaw, yeah. Right, Shaw.
Yeah, Reggae girls, go and win the World Cup, winner.
Simple that.
Simple that.
Alright.